FWC's new WMA Recreation Finder map helps you find places to recreate on Florida's Wildlife Management Area System. Use the map to find WMAs based on location, the recreation opportunities offered, and available amenities. When you first open the map, you'll see all the WMAs across the state. Areas managed by FWC, called lead WMAs, are blue, and areas managed with cooperators, called cooperative WMAs, are green. To find a WMA by location, check the nearby box in the WMA filter box. Then enter a zip code and select a range from the drop-down box. Then click Apply. You can leave the nearby box selected with your location preferences and use the additional drop-downs to find lead WMAs by types of experiences, trails, amenities, and accessible facilities. Or you can unselect the nearby box to see what lead WMAs offer your selections. Click Apply and the map will zoom to include the lead WMAs that match your choices. The circular icons on the map represent lead and cooperative WMA entrances. The primary entrance to each WMA is displayed first. As you zoom in, secondary entrances are revealed. Clicking an entrance icon reveals information about the WMA, including the hours, website, phone number, and entry fee requirements. Clicking the directions link takes you to Google Maps, where you can enter your address to get directions to that entrance. The regulations link offers information about public access, hunting dates, and more. Follow the website link to find additional information to plan your visit, including publications and maps of the WMA and a description of the activities you can do there. Thank you for visiting our Wildlife Management Area System. Go to our website for more information.